Hello everybody, welcome back, and today we're going to be checking out this 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Demon RC car. And this is the one that I'm using, the turbo boost BIGTIME Muscle. And we're going to be testing out the steadability of the Demon here. And as you can see here, I already went through a lot of dirt and with this nice hellcat. And this will be a sick one. So this video will be done once this phone is fully charged. Okay guys, so make sure to stay tuned for this video that is coming soon. What I'm going to be doing is basically driving it all around here, doing tons of laps and, you know, all that cool stuff for it. And I'm hoping that I'm going to get a lot of subscribers from this. And will you guys please make that up for me? Please. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get some thumbnails for this. So, alrighty. Well, just letting you guys know. Till next time. Peace out.